Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize state audit prep with Avalara, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging in to your Avalara account. Navigate to the Settings tab in the main dashboard. In the Settings menu, locate and select Tax Settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Compliance Tools. Finally, you will be directed to the State Audit Prep page. Review the information on the page to understand the requirements. Click on the button labeled Authorize State Audit Prep. A prompt will appear requesting confirmation to proceed. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the box to accept the conditions. Next, enter the necessary details as prompted. This may include your state tax identification number and other relevant information. Once all fields are filled out, double-check for accuracy. Click the Submit button to send your authorization request. You will receive a confirmation message on your screen. This indicates that your request has been submitted successfully. Keep an eye on your email for further notifications from Avalara. You may need to follow additional steps based on the state's requirements. After receiving approval, you can start preparing for the audit. Access your audit preparation tools within the Avalara platform. Utilize the resources and guides provided to ensure you're fully prepared. Complete all necessary documentation as requested by your state. Stay organized and keep detailed records of your transactions. Finally, review all your prepared documents before the audit date. This will help ensure a smooth and successful audit process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.